What if the most advanced telescope ever built has revealed something humanity was never supposed to witness? What if our fundamental understanding of the universe, its origins, the nature of time and space, even the fabric of reality, is being overturned by new discoveries? The James Webb Space Telescope, designed to observe the earliest light in the cosmos, has delivered data so startling that a Nobel Prize-winning physicist has broken his silence with a chilling declaration. This is not our universe. What exactly did the telescope detect at the farthest edges of existence? And why are scientists now warning that these findings could upend the very foundations of cosmology? In a distant region of the sky bathed in ancient light, the James Webb Telescope initially captured what appeared to be an unremarkable smudge of yellow. But upon closer examination, astronomers realized their assumptions were wrong. This faint glow wasn't just another galaxy. It was the most distant one ever observed, formed a mere 290 million years after the theorized birth of the universe. Yet, here was the paradox. This galaxy was too massive, too bright, and too mature to have emerged so soon after the Big Bang. According to current models, the early universe lacked the time and material necessary to create such structures. And this galaxy wasn't an anomaly. Webb has since identified dozens more, each defying the established rules of cosmic evolution. As researchers analyzed the data further, the mystery deepened. Some of these ancient objects weren't merely unusual, they were impossible. Unlike typical galaxies, which convert roughly 10% of their gas into stars, Webb detected at least 3 that had transformed 100% of their matter into stars, leaving no trace of gas or dust behind. This contradicts every existing theory of galaxy formation. The implications are unsettling. Could these structures not be galaxies at all? Are we glimpsing something far stranger, a remnant of a prior cosmos, an artifact from another dimension, or even an intrusion from a separate universe? To grasp why these discoveries are so disruptive, we must revisit the concept of the Hubble sphere and the observable universe. Due to the expansion of space, the farther an object is from us, the faster it recedes. Beyond a certain boundary, the Hubble sphere galaxies move away faster than the speed of light. Conventional physics suggests we should never see them. Yet we do, because space itself stretches, extending our observational limits. But Webb has now detected light from beyond these boundaries, regions that should be eternally invisible to us. The only conclusion? The telescope is peering past the edge of our universe, and no one knows what lies there. These findings have forced scientists to reconsider the unthinkable. What if the universe had no beginning? Some prominent physicists are openly challenging the Big Bang theory. If galaxies can form faster than physics permits, if light reaches us from unreachable depths, and if structures exist that defy time and mass, then perhaps our cosmic timeline is an illusion. What if we're not observing the early universe, but a fracture, a point where 2 universes intersect, or where something older than our own reality is seeping through? Among Webb's most enigmatic discoveries isn't an image, but a sound. While measuring cosmic background noise, its instruments detected a faint, rhythmic oscillation unlike any known phenomenon. It doesn't match pulsars, gravitational waves, or distortions in the cosmic microwave background. Some researchers call it the heartbeat beyond time. Others speculate it could be the signature of exotic matter or substance that might only exist outside our universe. Most unsettling? The pattern isn't random. It follows a precise mathematical sequence, as if deliberately encoded. Another revelation involves an inexplicable gravitational imbalance. Distant galaxies exhibit gravitational effects strong enough to warp light and distort spacetime. Yet no visible matter accounts for it. This isn't just dark matter. It's something else. Scientists now suspect these anomalies might be phantom masses, invisible gravitational fingerprints pressing on our universe from beyond. Some theorists propose an even more radical idea. We're witnessing the shadow of a neighboring universe colliding with our own. A once fringe theory is resurfacing. The idea of a mirror universe where time flows backward and physics operates in reverse. Webb's observations of particle behavior and rotational asymmetries in distant galaxies suggest an overlap between two distinct cosmic systems, as if our universe is entangled with an inverted counterpart in a final twist. Webb tracked the light signature from the universe's edge that should have faded forever. Instead, it reappeared not from its original direction, but with the same spectral fingerprint, like an echo. Only two explanations exist. Either space is a closed loop, or the light bounced off something at the boundary, something that shouldn't exist. The James Webb Space Telescope was meant to unveil the universe's origins. Instead, it is hinted at a far more unsettling truth. We may not be alone, not in the sense of life, but in the fabric of existence itself. The impossible galaxies, the phantom masses, the mirrored patterns, the unexplained pulse, the cosmic echo each chips away at our certainty. As one physicist warned, this is not our universe. Perhaps we're adrift on the edge of something vast, ancient, and incomprehensible, a deeper reality, a universe beyond our own. The question is no longer whether we're alone in the cosmos, but whether we truly belong to it.